Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to make a small size crochet bow pattern. For this pattern we will need one 3 mm crochet hook and worsted weight yarn. Here I am taking 6 foundation chains for ring. I am making one small ring. You can making magic circle for this pattern also. And then 4 chain count as a first treble crochet. And after that you wrap your yarn 2 times in your hook and make treble crochet. You make treble crochet, double treble crochet for 5 times. After that I am making 4 chains. Again you make 4 chains, count as a first treble crochet and go to the same circle and make one slip stitch. And then in the other side you repeat the same stitch, 4 chain, count as a first double treble crochet and then make 4 to 5 double treble crochet in this same circle or ring. You repeat it 5 times.